Look at the pictures given below. Have a close look. You are going to notice that all of them occupy space and all of them have certain mass. So we can conveniently say that they are all different forms of matter. What is matter then? Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. So everything in a surrounding, including us, is matter. Now we can raise a question. Can matter be classified into different forms like everything else? Well, yes, definitely. We can classify matter into 3 different states, and these are known as the physical states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Have a look at these pictures and classify them as solid, liquid, gas. This is the classification of solid, liquid, and gas. So the question now that comes to our mind is, what should matter be made up of? All forms of matter are made up of tiny particles that are called molecules. Another question could be, if everything is made up of molecules, why are they different? And why is matter found as solid, liquid, and gas? It is because the molecules are arranged differently, and this is what the molecular arrangement in solid, liquid, gas looks like. These blue balls are the molecules, and you'll see they are differently arranged in solid, liquid, and gas. In solid, they are very close to each other. In liquid, there are spaces between them, and in gases, they are very, very far from each other. So molecules in solid cannot move. In liquids, they can move a little bit, and in gases, they can move anywhere they want. The molecules in solid have a very strong force of attraction, which is lesser in liquids and still least in a gas. So solids have a definite shape and volume, liquids only have a definite volume, gases do not have a definite volume as well as a definite shape. Now comes the question, what is a molecule? A molecule is a group of atoms that has joined together. Some molecules have 2 atoms in them, some have more, some could have thousands or more atoms in them. Given some examples over there, water is one, nitrogen is another one, and carbon dioxide is the third one. So a group of atoms is a molecule. Just now we have said that molecules are not the smallest particle of atom because molecules themselves are made up of atoms. So let's define an atom now. Atom is supposed to be the smallest particle of matter which may or may not have an independent existence. And this is what an atom has or structure looks like. There is a round body in the center which is called the nucleus, and this nucleus has 2 types of particles in it. One is the neutron, which does not have any charge, it is neutral. The second one is the proton, which has a positive charge. Outside the nucleus there are shells or orbits, and on these shells and orbits are the third type of particles, which is the electron, and the electron is negatively charged. The number of electrons and protons in an atom are equal, so the atom is neutral, and because the proton is positively charged, the nucleus is also positively charged. Have a close look at that, and finally we have learnt matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. It exists in 3 states, solid, liquid, and gas. Matter is made up of molecules, which in turn are made up of atoms. A molecule is a group of atoms that has an independent existence, and atoms are smallest particle of matter that may or may not have an independent existence.